In this lesson, you will place air terminals in a room that does not have a dropped ceiling. Click the menu browser and select Open. And from the Training Files Imperial Mechanical Systems folder, open the file RME Mech Air Systems 02. Then open the view Level 1 HVAC Plan Design and change the view scale to 1/8 of an inch equals a foot. And zoom into the lower left corner of the building. Then, from the View tab's Windows panel, click Close Hidden, and then open the Schedule view, Space Airflow Schedule, and then go back to the View tab and click Tile Windows. Then make the floor plan active, and from the Home tab, click Air Terminal. Then click Change Element Type and select 24 by 24 8 neck and place the air terminal in the space as shown and click Modify. Then select the diffuser and go to its instance properties, and for offset enter 8 feet and change the flow to 360 CFM and click OK. With the diffuser still selected, click Copy and copy it down 20 feet. Then select both diffusers using the Control key and copy them both 14 feet to the right. Then click the Annotate tab, and from the Tag panel, click Tag by Category, and on the Options bar, clear Leader, and select each of the untagged diffusers, and press Escape. Next, let's create an embedded schedule. Double-click the title bar of the Space Airflow Schedule to maximize it, and then right-click in the schedule and click View Properties. Then, for Embedded Schedule, click Edit, and in the Schedule Properties dialog, on the Embedded Schedule tab, click the Embedded Schedule checkbox. In the list of categories, with air terminals selected, click Embedded Schedule Properties. Then, under Available Fields, double-click System Type, Type Mark, and Flow. Then, on the Sorting and Grouping tab, for Sort By, select Mark, and click OK to close all dialogues. Next, let's modify an airflow value in the schedule. Tile the windows again. Then, in the schedule, under Space 115, select SD 112-110 and change the flow to 450 CFM. Then, using the same method, change the flow for 111 and 112 to 330. Now, the airflow data value for the space updates to a positive number. Next, we'll place air handling equipment. Close the schedule and maximize the floor plan view. Then, select the zone 2 West Area T and go to its instance properties, and under Energy Analysis, verify that the calculated heating load value is 33,807 and the calculated cooling load value is 3.9 ton, which is approximately 1.5 times the heating load. Then click OK. Then click the Home tab, and from the Mechanical panel, click mechanical equipment. Then click the Change Element Type drop-down and select 4 tons. Then zoom to the double door for space 115. Then press the spacebar twice to change the rotation of the pump so that the supply faces the space and the return faces away from the space. And click to select an insertion point so that the supply is at the approximate center of the doorway. Then press Escape and select the heat pump and go to its instance properties. In the instance properties dialog, change the offset to 9 feet and click OK. Then clear the selection and close the file without saving it, as the next lesson will provide its own training file, and that concludes this lesson.